be your pussy. Make somebody ask the girl, say, the pussy, it be your. If the pussy before I go the pussy where they take fuck Shatta, it be Ayisha in one. Make somebody ask that question for me. Okay, it be my brother. As it be my brother, even if we the fuck, when we stop the fuck, we still go be brother and sister. Ayisha, which one you know they understand? When because of that, you say today, you not gonna make me asleep. You to go take brother, eh? Go take brother. Girls, simple advice. From today, make you not date. Just take the men as your brothers. Girlfriend, you will come and you will go. If you be girlfriend, you will come, you will go. You see, Ayisha, woman found kwasiasem we emba so. Otio and a stone boy. Kwasiasem nyama we are crass stone boy and wife. Oh yes, sir. You go stone up, then they take stone boy in them. They do stupid things for town. You think say we don't know? You think say we don't know? Then you did that stone boy. Then you think they do stupid things. You just disgrace the guy. Yeah, I'm not a social media person. I don't come out here to do this kind of things. You understand? So if you think you have problem with me, show me where to meet you. Because me, I want to meet you with this thing going on. No, I want to meet the girl because it depend me. I won't cry safe. If somebody go diss me, you know, for be Ayisha. Even if somebody go diss me, you know, it shouldn't be that girl. Everybody has the, like, you know, somebody said go feed this you, they, if you see the person, they say, oh, normal, we call you, me cry, nyashi. Na enya wo Ayisha, into so, ya koto ade na ya maye na ya si me pa cho ma me nto so a wo na ya de wo to so e bi kwa nto so ne bi wo kwa ya ma wa wo mpe ento we ka che ne pa se you nto so wo Ayisha wo na wo ya sa nto so na me ka se me mpe nti yen yin free so no kwasia wo tuo wo be ye me kwasia na wo ye kan ba wo ye mba wo ye ba. I don't do chi. Me I'm a gang girl. Me gan yo Jimmy ni pull wa ni bi na me feel try put people inside and you have problem with people. We are kwasia pass over sorry. Then you try put people them a name on some level, try destroy people with that your fucking face. Usine tutu ni ye sikwa ntutu ye kwa ya the god akose omo modi esima ye nhye usine tutu wo usinu we upesa ba sadiki on be fe wa no wo yo ba ye fe na no ugina why say bema kwasia Shatta Wale kwa or like or a sexy chill kwasia. You know that she say Shatta safe it be sexy past you. Go tell that girl say make you go see Shatta Wale the wear boxes. Or no call a sexy chair. Ayisha kwasia wo ba we wo so ye kan we ye obi. Wa boda mo. De bia wo no na ne na se na ye fi. You go see the girl then legs all make dirty. What's up? Why? She know the bath. Me, Shatta is not my relative. Me, I met Shatta when I was 13 years. Me met the 13 years na me shiano. And madam, so see my koji obi boy. Nipa no so bet me ada no so share Shatta. Me ne Shatta, ya kopam bloss. Na sa time on two onya bandana ye o. Na sa time onya bandana from Ghana. Na sa time onya your friend is say Shatta Wale. But we used to walk and go to Yakot and Soma Pamblos for him to go and train his voice. Satam na Ayisha na ya kissy crowd Pamblos. That time we were kissing. If it not be something, when it turns something, when woman where we know they appreciate, it be women, it be we women, where we know they appreciate. That be why this girl. If they feel stun up, they go talk. You go talk nya about Shatta. And ya bibi na ama bibi like this stupid girl. Come on and shimuji. See your leg. You two man they fuck you. Kwasia. You two man they fuck you. I swear. Say you see the same way they go on. Me, I'm not too good here. Like I'm not so much of like a social media person. Me and your dear. Like I've never done this before. This is my first time. I'm coming like live with my face and then talking to people, you understand? So it's not even easy for me to do this. But sometimes when and if you don't talk, say, oh, who are they? And I'll show my Aisha muni jonya so bemimia boye. Yoke muji fun keje no ko nefe no ko ni no ko efe no ko e shukwe boba anya odumogbon yen no kala ri. If it not be something, when you make something turn something, like you this dirty girl, Kwasia, you then say Shatta no do, you know they watching mommy. You go tell Junior say you know they watching mommy. Now in people you don't know self, if they help them. People self where you don't know, if they help them. How much more in mother? In baby mothers where you and in baby mothers and Onya is so Aisha, Onya is so Aisha Onya bemimia boy, Kwasia bulu. You can hear muji. If I like safe, I go fi fuck Shatta. I go fi fuck anybody. Massa, it no be your pussy. It no be you the wash my pussy for me. It no be you the buy medicine make I put for my pussy. Or it no be you the watch me. So you see that matter you the talk. Stop the talk that matter. Cause you your pussy, you say you go take give people that my husband make them come marry make you what be the name? Seventh wife. That is your fucking decision. You understand? So if Shatta to the love say then go fuck them a body. Where if we fuck one a body, do some threesome, massa, and yo try, try. So you see that stupid thing? You they call my name, they talk. Ain't papu faiwa kejik bomo efedi and try and get bomo leave you more. If me and you start, you see all my people for the guy inside, then you go do. Ah, but what's up today? I stand up, I go work. Ah, I go look for money. I go here na Ayisha Mumuni, whatever you call yourself. Hey, Ghana, Charlie, are they shocked? Like how people can even give this girl the chance to be talking. Me and Shatta's issue. One evening he had problem with Michelle. People said a lot of shit. I didn't come out to say nothing because Manti and free Michelle ano. I didn't hear this from her, so I didn't come out to say nothing. And even if somebody said something, the person okojina baby no kai. But nyami o hata show no nim nukure no. But wait me. Imbabe bregu kroma o mo baby father so mo hwe mo. And to say nyami ama wo baby father, not me hwe ba. Now on making sure say bibia ne ba hia bia otimi the mano. Now wo otimi bia another girl akoya baako. Na mo like mo sanity wo sa oba no nyame betua oka because me ba papa on hwe ne ba but ono kwa me no time me ba papa on hwe ne ba but ono kwa me no time and this oba papa show and you can connive with another fucking lesbian partner, you know, to come out and say shit about your baby father. Now one can say ube pray. Cause you say Shatta know they watching kiddies. Me my kiddies self Shatta they watch them. Me background Shatta or Shano. If you see my kiddie, you don't know my kiddie, go check. My kiddie self they Instagram. Go check out. Ken Alden. You go see either my kiddie the one Shatta watch my kiddie me ban the crown the so papa. Abwa Shatta ekwen bia me ban on the refi so papa. But